I'm Kashmi.
I'm Kushi.
And I'm Shloka. Every day, each of us creates something new: a sketch, a melody, a clever invention, or even a unique recipe. These creations are called intellectual property. And just like that, physical property, they can be copied, misused, or stolen. That's why we have intellectual property rights, IPR.
Before starting this project, we conducted a survey across our school. Our goal was to understand how much students knew about idea ownership, plagiarism, and the process of protecting their creations.
The results were clear. While many had heard words like patent or copyright, most didn't truly understand what they meant or how they worked.
Idea Police, a strategy game that makes learning about intellectual property rights both exciting and competitive.
Ideapolis comes in two versions: a classic board and card version, perfect for traditional tabletop play, and a board with an electronic control unit, where scenario events are triggered automatically using IoT technology. Both versions follow the same rules. The only difference is how the surprise events are delivered: through cards or through the electronic board device. In this game, each player becomes a young innovator. You start with an idea card and some starting cash. Your mission is to protect your idea, build on it, and take it to success before someone else outsmarts you. If two players get similar ideas, speed matters. Whoever protects their idea first earns the IP points. The other player loses the advantage. End of each turn, a scenario event is triggered. In the card version, you draw a scenario card. In the electric version, the board control unit announces the event automatically. Whether it's a piracy attempt, a patent troll, a market boom, or an unexpected twist.
The winner is the player with the highest IP points. If there is a tie, total money earned becomes the final deciding factor.
Ideapolis doesn't just entertain, it teaches you how real ideas are protected and why originality matters. You learn patents, copyrights, trademarks, trade secrets, GIs, plant varieties, and more, all through gameplay. So gather your ideas, protect your creations, and step into the world of innovation. This is Ideapolis, where creativity meets strategy.